guys, is my biggest tip is you do need to, first of all, get a really clear idea as to what it is that you want to do. Are you going to be an agency, or are you going to be a SaaS, or are you going to be something else completely? Now, some of you may be so new to this, you're saying, I don't even know what those two things mean. This is something you may put on your to-do list, your action plan to go and investigate. Do you want to be the guy who does everything for people? Or do you want to be the guy who says, here's your login information, have a nice time? Yeah, because both of those business models work and everything in between works too. It comes down to what end of the market do you want to work with? Do you want to go low price but high volume? Low price means you're going to obviously have a very different business model and support that you're offering to people than if you're offering something really high priced, which is going to require lots of intimate service. They're going to want touch points with human beings. It's going to be more expensive to run, higher overheads and bigger resources, but of course, a bigger cha-ching to go with it. So you need to sit down and get really clear, first of all, on what is it that my primary business function is. For me, it was SaaS. Why? Because I had spent a decade working with other SaaS tools, and I had a really clear idea what my audience needed, what my needs were as a business in that industry. And I was able to speak their language to my little niche and say, I know how it feels. I know how annoying this thing is because I've been trying to deal with that problem myself every single day. And so after lots of research, obviously, I found a platform that allows you to build any kind of business on top of it in any kind of industry, turn on or turn off features of your desire. And also with an API, which I describe to my audience as a plug hole that goes in a plug, or the other way around, that basically allows you to customize and create a completely unique version of your service, of your offer that nobody else out there has, albeit we're built on a similar platform.